Hey guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to enable dark mode on Snapchat. So let's get into it. First of all, open Snapchat. Click on your Bitmoji which sets in the top left-hand corner. Tap on the settings button. It is in the top right-hand corner. Once you are on the settings page, scroll down to get to the next step. Once you have scrolled down, find the button that says App Appearance and click on it. If there is no App Appearance button, head over to your phone settings. Simply search for Dark Mode in the Settings menu. Select Dark under Dark Mode Settings. Open Snapchat now and enjoy the dark theme. So that's all for this video, guys. If this video was helpful, please give us a like. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out our new uploads. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.